how to estimate a number and then finding out its product. And now let's get started. Okay, so the first question is estimate the product of 63 and 79 to the nearest 10. Alright, so we are going to find out the product. What do you mean by product? The answer that you get after multiplying two numbers is known as the product of those two numbers. So there are two numbers here. We have to estimate to the nearest 10 and then find out its product. Okay, so now let us see the first number, that is 63 to the nearest 10. So how to round off a number to the nearest 10? First, see the ones digit. Ones digit is less than 5. So what we have to do? We have to keep the tens place or write the tens place as it is and replace the ones place with 0. And that will be 60. 60. Alright. Next. The next number is 79 to the nearest 10. Okay, so first see the ones place, 9. 9 is more than 5. So what we have to do? Add 1 in the tens place. 5 or more than 5, add 1 in the tens place and replace the ones place with 0. That will be 80. Okay, so the required product is equal to 60 into 80 is equal to, what is the product? You can easily find out here only. Just take out the zeros. Okay, don't include the zeros. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus the 2 zeros. So we are going to write 4, 8, 0 and 0. That will be 4,800. So the product of 63 and 79 to the nearest 10 is equal to 4,800. Okay, so the next question is estimate the product of 382 and 247 to the nearest 100. So first number let us take 382 to the nearest 100. When we round off a number to the nearest 100, first see the tens place and here the tens place is 8. 8 is more than 5. Add 1 to the hundreds place and replace the ones and the tens place with 0 and that is 400. Next we are going to take the next number, that is 247 to the nearest 100 and that would be how we are going to see. First see the tens place. Tens place is 4. 4 is less than 5. So we are going to write the hundreds place as it is and we are going to replace the tens and the ones place with 0. So the answer will be 200. So now the required product is what? How to see? First take out these 2 zeros. Here 2 zeros is there, here 2 zeros. We are going to take it out. So 2 4s are or 4 2s are 8. So we are going to write down 8 and then with that we are going to write 4 zeros. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So the product of 382 and 247 to the nearest 100 is 80,000. Okay, so the next question is estimate the product of 5,836 and 428 by rounding off 5,836 to the nearest 1,000 and 428 to the nearest 100. Okay, so whenever you see these type of question, you have to be very careful. So one number they have told to round off to the nearest 1,000 and one number they have told to round off to the nearest 100. Right? So which number to be rounded off near 1,000? That is 5,836 and 428 we have to round off to the nearest 100. Okay, so whenever you round off a number to the nearest 1,000, first see the hundreds place. Hundreds place is more than 5. Add 1 in the thousands place and replace the hundreds, tens and ones with zeros. and that will be 6,000. 6,000. Okay. Now 428 to the nearest 100. How to see 100 to the nearest 100? So first see the tens digit. Tens digit is 2. So what we have to do? We are going to replace the tens and the ones with 0 and write the hundreds digit as it is. So that will be 400. 400. Okay, so the required product. So let us take out the zeros. There we go. So 6 fours are what? Or 4 6 is equal to what? 24. So we are going to write 24. Add the rest of the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are going to give the commas, and so we have the final product as 24 lakhs as the final product. So the estimated product of 5,836 to the nearest 1,000 and 428 to the nearest 100 is 24 lakhs. Okay, so we have completed the chapter estimation. I hope you all had fun in this chapter. And if you have any doubts regarding to this chapter, please do comment down below. And if you like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe, and even hit the notification bell. Bye bye. See you in my next video.